dad was a person, that would be me right now. I've been up since the morning. I've not even had my bath today because I've been busy since after I prepped the boys for school. I made porridge potato for them. I don't know if I call it porridge potato or jollof potato. Please ignore this video, guys. Let me off because the weather is hot and I put the fan on the highest, so the noise will be a lot. I did not on light though, so I don't know how bright this video will be, but I just thought to talk to you guys. After I prepped them for school and they left, I just rested for 1 hour more because I slept late last night. So I was like, you know what, I need at least 1 hour sleep. And funny enough, I slept for exactly 1 hour because the last time I remember checking time, it was past 9 a.m. and sorry, it was almost 9 a.m. and that was like past 8 to 9. And when I woke up, I checked the time, it was 10:03. So I slept for I think I'll say exactly 1 hour. And then I woke up, I cleaned because today is Friday and the boys will be at home for the weekend. So I like to do like good cleaning on Friday, so that because I know I will not have the time to like do proper mopping and cleaning when the boys are at home. So I like to do it on a Friday, so at least no matter how much they scatter during the weekend, the house will not be like dirty. It will just be maybe they scatter, you can arrange. You know, it's a different thing when your house is scattered and when it's dirty. So when they scatter things around, we can pick it up. Do you get? So that's what I did today. I swept, I mopped everywhere. I even washed the bathroom, washed toilet. Like I did serious cleaning today. But I'm excited that I did that. Then I ate, and then hubby went to the market and got some things. So I just made soup right now, and I'm about to have a plate. So I would have this. I would have made swallow for the boys when they get back from school, but today is Friday. They give them swallow in school, so I'm very sure if I make swallow, they'll not eat it because they must have eaten it in school. So I think I would look for something else. They took porridge potato to school, so I might just fry plantain for them. Maybe fry plantain and egg, and then tomorrow maybe they'll eat swallow tomorrow or on Sunday. Anyways, I'm happy that I'm done now. Once I'm done having this soup, I will try and have my bath, then chill and wait for them. Thankfully it's their dad that will bring them back from school, so I don't have to go anywhere. But yeah, what are these ones now? Anyways, just thought to talk to you guys. Ignore my hair. I made my hair yesterday. I've always complained of my front hair, so I thought, you know what, let me change hairstyle. I don't know if it's, please ignore that noise. I don't know if it's that one. Maybe I try and peep from the window. But anyways, let me feel. I don't even have energy. What was I saying? Yeah, I always said that I wanted to change hairstyle. I don't know if it's the cornrows I'm making that is, you know, stressing my front hair or something. So I thought to just do mini braids, and I don't know what is making my face look like. I look like Simbi, the real Simbi with my swollen face, my fat face. But I mean we are still fine by the grace of God. Oh my God, guys, we go later. Let me on this fan. This fan I off now. I'm sweating already. Yeah, I'm trying to watch one movie on Netflix. I just finished watching His and Hers. I actually finished it yesterday night, and that their ending plot twist. When I got to, I think, episode 3 or episode 4, I kind of knew that. I was like, I think it's the mom. Let me not spoil it for you, Bepusha. Spoiler alert, oh. Spoiler alert, oh. I think it's the mom. I think it's the mom that is the killer, you know. But yeah, at the end of the day, I was right. I was like, oh, I'm getting good at this, you know. I'm getting good at this. But right now, I'm watching Materialistic. I just found it and I'm like, let me watch it. It's like something I'll enjoy. But yeah, Materialistic self, I just started it. I've not even gone far. It's still in the intro part of it. While I was cooking, I was watching YouTube videos, and now I want to watch Materialistic. Nana. Hey, that's this. Take it. You want banana? Come on, take banana. Take banana. Nana. Nana. What do you want? Nana. You want banana? Go and take banana. This second batch I made, this is Zobo by the way. This second batch I made is quite harder to drink because I upped up I added more cloves. I still use the same 2 sticks of cinnamon, but then I added more ginger and more cloves. And also I think the reason why it's, what's the word, things in the mouth is because I boiled it in the night and I did not seal it that night, so I left it overnight in the pot. Then the next morning I now warmed it again, left it to cool, and then sieved it. So I think all the ingredients married themselves so much, and you know, that overnight made it ferment, if that's the word. But yeah. And this one is because I think because of all of the things, it actually affects my tongue. So my tongue. You want to see my tongue? But if you want to see, I want to show you my tongue now. If you don't want to see my tongue, just skip 2 seconds. Go and give it to your daddy. Neto is coming with your phone, no? So yeah. Anyways, yeah, it's downloading. I'm in the kitchen now. I'm trying to cook beans. Today is Sunday, by the way. Happy Sunday. I did not vlog anything yesterday because there was nothing to vlog. I just made rice. I already had stew in the house. I just boiled rice for the boys. There was nothing much to do yesterday. I was just at home with the boys yesterday. Their dad wasn't around. So yeah, there's really nothing. Water. Go and bring it now. But yeah, I'm here trying to make beans and plantain. You know, it's not every Sunday you eat rice. Sometimes cook on. Actually, I hardly cook rice on a Sunday. Is it climbing dining? Can't take water. Mom is calling you. Can't take water. By the way, I have been waiting for this pear to ripe for a long time, and that finally ripened. But I've not broken my fast. I can't wait. But I don't have bread though. I don't have bread in the house. Oh, Guinea! I don't have bread, which is a good thing. But yeah, I'm happy. I'm going to lick this one. Hopefully it will be sweet though. It will not taste water. Anyways, guys. Low key, I feel like this hair has started to fit my face. It's finer when it's not packed though, but I like to pack it up because, you know, so I won't touch my body. But yeah. Those people that say skincare is not good, skincare is not necessary, all of that. I mean, I get where they are coming from because skincare is not cheap. If you are being honest, skincare is not cheap. So when I need this thing to dry, let me, yes, open it now. So I get where they are coming from because skincare is not cheap, but then just outrightly saying that skincare is not necessary, using good skincare products and all of that is not good. Please don't say it near me. But one thing that I'm happy that I did for myself is that I tried out different products of different price ranges, and I was looking for affordable skincare products. I was looking for products that I do not have to steal to buy. I do not have to break the bank, if that's the word. I do not have to break the bank. You get what I mean? I had to look for budget friendly skincare products, honestly, and I feel like I have found them, and I believe I am going to stick to them. I just had to find them, and really I like my the price range my skincare products are. And to be honest, the prices does not determine how effective they will be. That a sunscreen is let me just use sunscreen for instance, that a sunscreen is 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, even 70,000 does not mean it will give you more protection than a sunscreen that is 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, even less. Do you get? Now because I've seen a lot of people say if it is not this particular sunscreen, they are not going to use because they feel like others are too cheap and they won't give you what you want. I'm like, if that is what your skin has accepted, it is okay that you've used other skincare products or you've used other sunscreen and you felt like it's not giving you the protection that you want. But outrightly saying because it's cheap it would not work for you, that's where the problem is. You get what I mean? So I tried my best. If you guys have noticed, when I started my skincare journey, most of the products I started with are not what I'm using right now. I have gone down. For instance, now my moisturizer is Face Fat, and if you know Face Fat, they are one of like the most affordable skincare products you can find in the market. And good thing is that their products are actually nice. Their products actually work. So I mean, this is me just saying, if you feel like you're looking for an affordable skincare product, try Face Fat. Why is it crying? Let her close the door now. Close it. Or you go and meet your brother. Choose one. Bye bye. Come. Why are you crying? I don't want you to come out of my video. You're bare-bodied. You're just sweating because of too much play. Let's go and sleep, I beg. Anyways, what was I even saying? Yeah, my skin has not gotten to where I want it to be, but honestly, from where I am coming from, I am super grateful. And yeah, this is me just saying, if you are thinking of starting a skincare journey, starting up using skincare products on your skin, please don't doubt it. Okay, start, but just try to think of things that are good for your skin. Not every product that people advertise or people influencers influence that you need to get. Okay, no matter the hype, you don't really need it if you don't need it. Okay, but anyways, I want to go and sleep. My children are disturbing. I will see you guys later. I think I'm going to end the vlog here because tomorrow is Monday and this is supposed to be a weekend in a live vlog. I didn't do much. I was at home mostly, but I just thought to vlog regardless and just share how my weekend looks like. I did not share a lot of things like when I was doing my duties, chores and all of that, because it can be stressful, it can be chaotic, it can be mind consuming, so vlogging was not really on my mind. But this is how my weekends most days are. I don't go anywhere because I'm stuck in the house with my children. If I have to go out, I have to go out with them, and honestly I'd rather stay at home with them than go out with them, because outside with boys, with kids, yes. Give me my lip balm. Come, let me rub you. Give me. So yeah, that's just it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Smack your lip. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Share my videos to whomever you feel would enjoy watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment in this comment section, and yeah guys, I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys. Neto, what are you doing? Did I rub your lip balm on the nose? Why are you rubbing your brother on the nose? Smack your own. Beep.